Sticky kitchens, muddy paw prints, and bathroom grime can turn cleaning into a never-ending chore. But here's the good news: Steam does the heavy lifting. In this video, I'm walking you through the 7 best steam mops that sanitize using nothing but water, lift stubborn messes, and save serious time. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Kenmore S200. Daily cleaning gets easier when a mop glides like it is on rails. With Kenmore's lightweight build and swivel steering, you navigate table legs and corners without wrestling your wrists. It feels more like guiding a broom than pushing a heavy appliance. Steam breaks down sticky spills and soap scum, so scrubbing turns into quick passes. A built-in scrub brush helps along grout lines, shower corners, and textured tile where grime loves to hide. Savings show up in your laundry basket. Machine-washable microfiber pads go straight into the wash and come back ready for more, cutting down on disposable refills and long-term cost. Sealed hardwood, vinyl, and tile all benefit from residue-free results, which is great for households with kids and pets. For quick evening resets and weekend deep cleans, the Kenmore S200 brings family-safe shine with minimal effort. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Makeovering Me. If you are craving one tool that can do it all, this versatile option shines. The detachable handheld unit turns the main mop into a whole home steamer, so you handle floors, glass, stovetops, even car interiors with a single setup. It is like getting a closet of tools in one. Control is the secret sauce. A stepless knob lets you fine-tune steam for delicate finishes, or crank it up for caked-on grease. That precision helps you protect surfaces while still blasting through stubborn grime on tile, grout, and range tops. Practical touches matter when you clean a lot. A long power cord reaches across large rooms, while the flexible head pivots easily along edges and under toe kicks. The transparent water tank makes refills obvious, and built-in safety features protect the boiler if you run low. Families will appreciate the chemical-free clean, especially in nurseries and pet zones. With washable pads and attachments, you keep waste down and value up. If you want deep cleaning from floors to curtains without juggling tools, Makeovering Me is a powerful, customizable workhorse. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Shark S1000. Speed and simplicity matter when messes happen right before guests arrive. This compact Shark heats up in around 30 seconds, so you can address spills and footprints in the time it takes to cue a playlist. Steam softens grease and grime using only water, leaving floors clean without that sticky, perfumed afterfeel. It is a straightforward way to keep kitchens and bathrooms fresh between deeper weekend sessions. Textured microfiber pads grip dirt instead of smearing it around. After you finish, toss the pad into the wash, then reuse it again and again. No consumables to reorder, no special solutions to track down. Swivel steering keeps movement smooth in tight spaces, and a long power cord means fewer outlet changes. For grab-and-go upkeep in small homes, apartments, or busy family spaces, Shark S1000 is a reliable daily driver. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Labigo. If you hate waiting for tools to heat up, you will love how quickly this one gets to work. In about 10 seconds, steam is flowing, and sticky spots start surrendering. That speed makes it perfect for quick pre-guest touch-ups and last-minute kitchen resets. The headline here is versatility. With a set of attachments, this steamer handles floors, carpets, windows, sofas, and more. Snap on the carpet glider to lift surface dust and refresh fibers, then return to hard floors without switching machines. A generous water tank provides a solid cleaning window, and 2 steam levels make it easy to protect delicate finishes or blast stubborn spots. Use the lower setting for sealed wood and the higher setting for tile grout or entryway messes after a rainy day. Thoughtful safety cues help too. An auto shutoff protects the unit if the tank runs dry, and a long cord extends your reach. Lightweight, quick, and flexible, Labigo is a time saver for homes that need frequent refreshes across different surfaces. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Shark S1000A. This model hits the balance. It stays compact and light, yet the larger removable tank means longer sessions between refills, perfect for open-plan spaces and busy households. The routine is pleasantly simple. Fill, power on, and in about 30 seconds, you are steaming. On kitchen tile, steam loosens cooking splatters so they wipe away without scrubbing. In bathrooms, it helps with the film that builds near tubs and toilets. Because it cleans with water alone, You avoid residue that can dull finishes. Floors dry quickly, which is ideal when kids are racing from room to room or the dog is pacing by the door waiting for a walk. Storage is easy thanks to the small footprint, so it disappears in a pantry or laundry nook. For straightforward sanitizing and everyday shine, Shark S1000A is a dependable step-up that keeps cleaning fast and fuss-free. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Bissell. Control over steam level is the difference between babying sealed wood and blasting grout clean. 3 settings let you dial in the right amount for each surface without second-guessing. A clever flip-down scrubber tackles dried sauce, tracked-in dirt, and crevices along baseboards. You get focused agitation where it counts, saving your knees and a separate brush. Fragrance discs slip into the pad to leave a gentle, fresh scent after you steam. Swivel steering and a long cord make room-to-room transitions smooth, with fewer trips to change outlets. Ready to go in about 30 seconds, this design fits easily into weekday routines. For pet owners and busy families, Bissell brings adjustable power and small quality-of-life features that add up to cleaner floors with less work. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Shark S2001. If you want the strongest floor focus with real punch for stuck-on messes, this is the standout. It pairs everyday steam with a finger-controlled blast that targets crusty spots on tile and entryways, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time admiring those clean lines. 3 steam modes make the tool feel purpose-built for each task. Light is perfect for quick, nightly passes. Normal handles routine weekly resets. Deep steps up for muddy footprints and dried sauce by the stove. You pick the mode, the mop does the work. The oversized removable tank means fewer refills during whole home sessions, and the lightweight body keeps it nimble under chairs and into corners. 2 pad types come in the box. An absorbent option for daily dust and a stiffer pad for gritty messes. Because it sanitizes using only water, you avoid chemicals and leftover film. Between the targeted steam blast and the textured pads, Shark S2001 removes stubborn stains better than traditional steam-only designs. For most homes, it is the most effective, user-friendly path to spotless floors. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 steam mops you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.